This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and this is a back to the daily candlestick chart of the SPY. Last week we looked at the monthly chart, but let's take a look at where we are here. Here's where we left off our analysis last Wednesday, and you can see the market really hasn't gone anywhere. So we had the big explosive move up, and now we're consolidating, we're resting, probably ahead of the big Fed meeting, the announcement on interest rates that will come next Wednesday. So it's very typical for the market to consolidate ahead of that meeting. Obviously, traders probably don't want to take any big positions ahead of that announcement, but we'll see. I'm still expecting some type of pullback here. I've had these lines drawn here for a few weeks. We haven't gotten it yet, but we'll see. Maybe leading into the Fed meeting, maybe we'll get some weakness and then the announcement, or last time we had the rally into the announcement, but we've been consolidating here. We may continue to do that. Basically, on this last move up, we filled that gap, that prior gap here. But let's look what is left back here. So we've got more resistance back up here. These are the all-time highs back here. So there's only about 20 or so points, S&P points or SPY points, separating us from all-time highs. So it's going to be pretty interesting here. Market has pretty much defied what most of the pundits have, were expecting. They were expecting to test those lows back from October of 2022. And I told you I didn't think that was going to happen. The much more likely scenario was that we would test the all-time highs. And so we're about 20 points or so away from that SPY points, and we'll see what we get here. Economic data set for next week. Tuesday, we've got the CPI. Wednesday, the PPI, the Fed interest rate decision at 2 o'clock. Thursday's retail sales, and Friday's S&P Global Manufacturing PMI and Services PMI. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.